It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Hey friends, welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. Let me start by saying that I feel so much better today. I'm so grateful to my past self for giving myself time to rest and recover. That's something that I'm learning to do now at the age of 30, is actually give my body time to rest when I'm sick. Anyway, yes, I am still rocking some very questionable greasy hair, but like, it is what it is. I am going to be decorating my room today, and I also have a few bits and pieces of other things that I want to get done. The first thing I need to do is to pack up some Etsy orders and get those sent off. Oh, I should probably go back to the chiropractor. Anyway, yeah, the Etsy shop has been quite busy the last few weeks because obviously it's the run up to Christmas. So I've got a few different orders to pack up today, and I'm going to do that while watching some YouTube and drinking some coffee. I need more coffee. Let's go make some coffee. Finished. Now we need to take a little walk down to the post box to post all of these and get a little bit of fresh air because it's stuffy in here. Okay, now I'm hungry, so it's time for lunch. It is a truth universally acknowledged that I am not a good cook, but recently I've been making this chickpea sweet potato thing that I think is really good, so I'm going to share that recipe with you guys because it's pretty much the only thing I know how to make that tastes good. Usually I would eat this with some kind of side salad to make it really filling, but I don't have anything to make a salad right now, so I'm just gonna go with this, and then if I'm hungry in a little bit, I'll have a snack. I love a snack. I am like a snack queen. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, some time has passed because I got distracted by TikTok. Welcome to my life. Now I really am gonna put up some Christmas decorations in this room. I don't have that many. I thought I had more. First, I'm going to share a hack that I've already shared twice with you guys, but I love it. It is just the easiest way to decorate a room, not just for like the holidays, but in general. Back when I decorated my room, I bought some really cheap picture frames that I put up and did like a gallery wall. And then for Halloween, I changed the prints I had in them to Halloween prints. And now I'm going to change them to Christmas prints. But instead of going out and buying prints, which can be pretty pricey, I just make them on Canva. Just make them on Canva, print them out, voila, stick them in a frame, looks pretty good. You don't even need Canva Pro to do that. Like, you could do it with the free version. I have the Pro version because I just use it a lot in my life generally, but I've said this before and I will say it again because it's a great money-saving hack. If you do want to do this and make some Christmas prints but you don't want to commit to Canva Pro, get the free trial. I'll link it down below, and then cancel it before the free trial ends. We've all done that before with something, right? This video is not sponsored by Canva, by the way. I just love this hack. Okay, next, I purchased a thing that some may describe as frivolous, but honestly, I need this in my life. Look at it. It's a Minnie Mouse Christmas wreath with a sparkly bow, and it lights up. I just can't express to you how much I love this, how much joy this brings me. I got it on Etsy. I will leave a link in the description box down below. You guys, it's adorable. Oh, shut up, that is too stinking cute. They had a bigger size, which now looking at this, I could have gone for a bigger size, but I still think it's so freaking adorable. Oh, I got a few other new Christmas decorations this year just because I didn't have any. Like for my own room, I know I have a wooden tree somewhere from last year. Do you think I can find it? So I picked up a couple things in the range. I got this little wooden Christmas sign. So pretty and so jangly. And also this little like snowflake Christmas tree, also from the range. I just don't have a lot of Christmas decorations. I have a lot of Halloween decorations, but Christmas, I need to get on that. As well, I feel like I don't want to go out and buy a bunch of Christmas decorations when I don't have my own house yet. Because the stuff that I buy now, it's like, is it gonna fit wherever I end up living? Big grown-up questions like that. So I'm just gonna find a little place for these guys. Simple yet effective. Also, I love that the base of this tree can hold my crystals. It's like win, 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 all around winner. As much as I do enjoy a pumpkin rum candle, it's time to switch it out for Christmas. What do we got? My absolute favorite Christmas candle. Oh wait, that might be a lie because I had one from Bath & Body Works one year that was like Christmas pancakes, cinnamon Christmas pancakes, Christmas, something to do with pancakes and Christmas. I don't know, but that was phenomenal. And as much as I do love this one, I don't know. The good thing about this one is that they sell it in, I want to say it's B&M bargains, maybe it's home bargains. I always get those two confused, but they're really, really cheap. Wickford & Co. gingerbread candle. It has such a strong scent, and it's just like, it just smells like Christmas. Wow, okay, that's literally it. I felt like the whole decorating process would be a bit more of something. But I guess I just own no decorations. Maybe I'll have a look in the sales this year. Pick up a few little things, but I just can't move past this and how beautiful it is. I did, however, find some additional baubles lurking in my candle drawer. This one I picked up at Stonehenge in the summer, and this one that looks like Pinocchio I got when I was in Naples in the summer. So I'm just gonna take these downstairs and put them on the Christmas tree because that's where they belong, not in my candle drawer. Oof. Okay, so I disappeared for several hours, but I'm back and my hair is finally clean. It is now, oh my gosh, are you serious? It is now 9 o'clock at night and I still haven't edited today's Vlogmas video. You would think after all of the years of Vlogmas that I've done that I would be more on top of things by now. And to an extent, like, I understand how to make it easier. So for instance, this video that you were watching today is for Vlogmas Day 3. But I filmed it on the 2nd of December to give myself time, in theory, to edit it and get it uploaded and ready to go tomorrow afternoon so that I'm not staying up until 11 o'clock at night to like edit and put something out that I just filmed that same day. Except, here's the kicker. I'm still staying up until 11 o'clock at night editing and putting out videos because I'm just such a procrastinator. Whatever, that's what I'm gonna do now, and then at some point throughout the night I will get to bed. Look, the main thing is this is up on my wall. I'm very happy. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another Vlogmas video today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!